by asking. I heard it yesterday, but for the record, what do we want to achieve, Mr. President? We want to prevent power and influence, the transfer of power and influence to a certain family. Isn't that right?
Yes, Mr. President. Good Senate President. Yun po yung layunin ng panukalang batas na sa pamamagitan ng pagsunod sa utos ng konstitusyon, malimitahan o mapigilan, mabawasan, mapigilan na yung kapangyarihan at yung kapatid nitong yaman din ay makonsentra lang sa iilang pamilya dito sa atin. Sa pamamagitan nun na mabuksan natin ang political space sa mas maraming mamamayang Pilipino na mayroon din pong kakayahan, mayroon din pong pagnanais na magsilbi sa ating mamamayan through the public service, Mr. President.
All right. That are prevented because of the transfer of power of those who are already incumbent.
Yes, Mr. President.
Okay. Now, to what degree and up to what degree are we envisioning in this particular bills, 1901?
In this particular bill, Mr. President, ang layunin po na ay i-define at ipagbawal ang political dynasty relationship up to the second degree of consanguinity and affinity. Mr.
Ang second
President.
degree, ang ibig sabihin, asawa, anak, ama, ina.
Yes, Mr. President. Sako po ng second
Apo.
degree. Opo. Kung sa consanguinity, kasama po yung magulang, anak, lolo, lola, kapatid, at apo. Sa affinity po...
Apo sa tuhod.
Ay, hindi po yung apo sa tuhod. Hanggang apo lamang po. And then sa affinity, sako po ng second degree yung biyanan, yung daughter o son-in-law, yung grandparent-in-law, brother and sister-in-law, at grandchild-in-law, Mr. President.
So sa second degree of affinity, yon ang extent ng
Opo, Mr.
sakop.
President.
All right. So how do we envision this? National or local? O anong relasyon po nung naiisip natin dito sa nilalaman ng 1901?
Isa po, Mr. President, na tinakda, ilan sa salient features ng panukala ay ipagbabawal yung political dynasty relationship to the second degree of consanguinity and affinity, una sa mga national positions. And then, ipagbabawal din ang political dynasty relationship to the second degree of consanguinity and affinity sa local positions. Wala pong cross-prohibition between national and local positions. At last but not the least, Mr. President, ipagbabawal ang political dynasty relationship to the second degree of consanguinity and affinity between isang opisyal sa national level at yung party list at isang local official at yung party list, Mr. President.
Napasok doon sa sa second degree of consanguinity.
Opo, Mr. President.
Paano po yung magkapatid?
Yung alin po, Mr. President?
Magkapatid sa national.
Ganun po. Napasok po sila dun sa second degree of consanguinity na hindi silang magkapatid na hindi sila pwedeng tumakbo o magsilbi sa national position ng magkasabay o overlapping, Mr. President.
So anong gagawin natin doon sa incumbent natin ng mga national officials?
Hindi po sila maapektuhan nung panukalang batas or kung magiging batas ito, Mr. President, dahil itong panukala ay prospective in application sa susunod pang eleksyon pagkatapos nating posibleng maipasa itong panukalang batas. So,
Prospective.
Yes, Mr.
Prospective,
President.
let's say to hopefully 2028.
Hopefully po, Mr. President.
Paano kung hanggang 2031 yung isa?
Isi-serve out po ng incumbents ang current terms po nila. Kahit lampas po yung yung kasunod na eleksyon pagkatapos ito maisabatas dahil kung yung current term nila ay hanggang 2031, Mr. President.
Well, anyway, I asked that question to pick on the mind of the distinguished lady, but I have heard from some of our colleagues that they are looking at a different interpretation when it comes to that, no? Because I tend to agree, we cannot find influence, the transfer of influence, pagka-national. There is no transfer of influence. Like, for example, if Bam Aquino is running for senator and his father, Paul Aquino, will run as senator also while he is incumbent, I do not see how could a transfer could be made. The transfer of power or influence. Ano, parang that's I've heard that. No, I tend to agree. I said no. I am not saying that I agree. I tend to agree. So perhaps one of our colleagues or even the President pro temp might be taking that up later on. That
I look
issue.
forward to that,
Let me-
Mr. President. Pero madagdag ko lang po, Mr. President, at this point, tinitignan po natin hindi lang transfer, pero consolidation ng kapangyarihan, whether through simultaneous or successive na pagsilbi sa public service or pagtakbo para sa public service, Mr. President.
Okay.